Hello. So, welcome everyone. Today's live trading session, late night. Oh, today we'll be looking into coal and Bitcoin and other forex pairs. These days has been very surprising. Wait, like for gold, as you can see, gold has reached very high actually. Wait. And as I told you guys last stream, like about the analysis, it worked. It actually worked as that, like I told. Price just broke above our historic resistance and turned into support, and we took very good trades to the upside and made a lot of profit. Wait, is my stream working? Right now gold has reached into a supply point of interest and giving us some bearish reaction, and also fundamentals are working as a catalyst cause, as you know, dollar is being weak, so gold is giving us a huge pumps to the upside. Everything is aligning according to our analysis. And today we catch the very good trade about first here to 15 pips, and once again after a psychological barrier, price broke above a psychological barrier which is 3400. After breaking above those level, we took another buy targeting high liquidity zones to be filled, and yeah, once again we made from here to here 20 pips. Yes. Overall US dollar is very weak, so other forex pairs, like if you're comparing with US dollar, uh, all the pairs are going at upwards direction. For example, GBP USD, again we took a buy position right here, and looks like BTC is chopping around, giving us a sideways price action. It's fighting against with this key level, you know. Meanwhile, GBP JPY gave a very strong bearish reaction. We could have taken this trade, but we were too busy in gold today. After giving a huge movement to the upside in gold, I think right now gold will give us a good retracement to grab all the liquidity and once again give us a good reaction to the upside. Maybe price might retest this zone once again, this resistance 3400. Grab all the necessary liquidity to once again give us a strong bullish reaction to the upside. As I turn on my liquidity heat map, you can see a lot of liquidity is present below the lows. So market is gonna soon feel those zones, and from there we will again look for buy trades to the upside. Well, GBP USD has been bearish for a long time, as you can see, creating lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So we can confirm that market was in a bearish sentiment until price reacted from a key demand zone where buying interests are more. So finally price gave us a reversal from this particular demand zone. Rian Ahmed, what do you think gold will move now after such a rally? After such rally, I'm expecting a pullback or a retracement to fill those high imbalanced liquidity, as you can see. Cause if I look into higher time frame, you can see market has given a pretty good impulsive wave. Now we need once again need a corrective wave, corrective or a pullback. Then we can see another impulsive wave, or we might see bearish reaction as price has reached to our supply POI. Gold has given a very abrupt move cause of the fundamental news too. Do you do black magic in trading? No, bro. I trust my analysis. No black magic. Bitcoin is choppy too right now. No clear sign of either to buy or sell. It's fighting over a key level, as you can see. As you can see, this is a US dollar index. This is a US dollar pair. As you can see, right? So if gold gives an upside movement or a pump, you will always see that dollar always falls. So you know, if dollar price decreases, gold will always give a rise to the upside. So right now dollar sign is very weak. That's why gold is giving us a huge movement to the upside. Same as GBP USD. US dollar is weak, so GBP is taking over the market right now. British pound. Right now we do not have any trade signals because of the low volatility. I don't think market would gold would take those high liquidity zone right here. First it will take those lows, which is a lot of unfilled orders right here, to have enough liquidity, or you can say to have enough fuel to give us a reaction to the upside. Very soon I am expecting gold to give us a retracement. Hope so. GBP JPY. Okay. Looks like GBP JPY might fall more. As you can see, this block with high liquidity, market could fill that zone, and also this lows. But if price reacts from this demand zone, we'll probably look for confirmation and take a buy trade to the upside, because this is a very strong demand zone, you can see, which give us a very huge impulsive wave. So buyers would be interested to buy at this price level. So we can say buyers would be more than sellers in this particular point of interest. But first we would need some confirmations in order to take a buy setup. and this right here, we this is a Fibonacci. So basically Fibonacci are all those psychological numbers where we can, these numbers usually indicates a highly strong support or resistance. We know that whenever price reaches to this particular numbers or lines, or you can say zones, price would 100% react from those. Looks like gold is giving a bearish reaction to the downside. So if you guys have any questions regarding about strategy or any doubts like what is going in the market, you can write it in our live chat. I will reply to them. Oof. Okay, looks like BTC is giving a reaction from this support. This resistance has turned into a support. Today we have given two signals in our Telegram group, which is GBP USD and gold, and we have made a lot of profits today. The 0.61 is aligning with our key support area, so it's good. If price returns to it, we can probably look for buys. Looks like sellers are trying to push price below, but looks like buyers are still in the market. They are taking over sellers. As you can see, sellers are giving reaction to downside, but from below we can see buyers taking control, you know. Buyers are pushing the price to the upside, it seems. I think price is gonna again take those trap sellers, which is this high, and might give a reaction downwards. As we know that price has reached in our key point of interest, which is the support or supply. Supply is only something where sellers are more interested in this particular uh, zone, this red zone. I can spot a very simple price action. If you guys can see an impulsive wave, a corrective wave, once again impulsive, and respectively. And I explained this price action in my last stream in a detail. If you have not seen yet, you can check it out. Right now, I cannot see any trade signal because very low volatility right now. Because New York Open gave us a very good reaction. So late night, all we can see is pullback or choppy price action. I really want to see the gold filling all these pending orders right here, high liquidity zone. Then we can see a very good buying setup. to the upside. I guess till end of this month, overall coal market would be in a bullish tone. Looks like gold is facing some psychological resistance at 430. That's what I'm observing right now. And before filling those above pending orders for a long period of time, gold will first give us a retracement. For sure, it will be, because you can see gold has given a pretty good reaction to the upside. And if you understand as a simple market structure, we can see we'll always observe that after giving a strong impulsive wave, it always gives a bearish movement to downward, that we say as a pullback or a corrective wave. Okay guys, I think I will end the stream now. I know it's very quick, because I really wanted to tell in the stream what really happened in coal. And right now I cannot find any possible and potential setup due to very low volatility, and gold has given such a good reaction to the upside. So right now we cannot buy at the highs, which is you know reach now almost near to all-time highs, so we won't buy at this zone. So we want to see a pullback and a confirmation to take a long setup. So overall market is in a bullish, so we'll take only buy setups. So yeah, if I find any good trades, I will upload in our Telegram group. And if you have not joined our Telegram group, it's in our description, you can join. And if you want to be in a premium site, you can contact us by joining our Telegram and messaging us directly in Telegram. Yeah, so